Hi, everybody. Welcome to our 2025 Advent celebration. We are so excited to be here. Every day we're going to post out a new video to watch. But if you want to craft along with the exact templates and digital papers that are featured in our crafts for the next 24 days, you can grab our Advent celebration pack. You can find the link in the description below. All right, so let's get on to crafting. We need to create a new canvas. And then we need to upload the file. It is tags and envelope for day 21. This is what we're going to need. We're going to upload this. And then we are in here. I'm just going to close that so it's out of my way. We are going to ungroup this. And the tag is separate. So we're going to put that off to the side, and then we're going to deal with this here. We're going to ungroup this. We're going to select all of these lines, and we're going to change them from basic cut to score lines. And then we can select all of these in here, and we can group that back together. And then we can just make it. Now, the tag here is 4.5 by 8. I think that's a little big. So I'm just going to measure a gift card. So we want the length to be about, let's do 4 inches. We're going to do the same for this. The height is going to be 4 inches. And just going to see if that fits inside there. And yes, it does. So I'm going to change the shape to that. Then we're just going to go and we're going to make it. And I will meet you at the demo table. All right, so I did the print and cut onto the digital papers that I had provided, and now I'm just going to fold along the score lines and make sure that it's all folded in. I do apologize for my lighting. My light suddenly stopped working. All right, once I have them folded down, then I'm going to glue. I don't have any white glue right now, so I'm just going to use a glue stick for this. So I'm going to glue down the tabs to the other side of the envelope. And make sure it's well glued down. Once that's done, I'm just checking the glue there. And then I'm going to make sure that it opens, which it does. It's very nice. So then I'm going to take the tag, flip it over, and I'm going to just use the glue stick and glue onto the back of the tag. Just going to glue it down. There we go. And you can add a sticker to the front if you want, just to hold that flap down. And then on the other side of the tag, you can just write your little greeting. And that's pretty much this craft. It's very quick, very simple, and you can make a lot of them. So I hope you had fun making this. And we'll see you at the next craft.